Conclusion. There's never been a better time to start a vlog, and we have provided you with everything that you need in this training to plan and implement a successful one. The demand for high-quality vlogs will continue to grow, so get in now to tap into the rising trend. Videos are always going to be the preferred medium for internet users. People are lazy, and if they can spend 5 minutes watching a video on how to do something, this is a lot easier than spending 20 minutes reading a 5,000-word blog post. With a vlog, you have a great opportunity to interact with your audience. Ask them questions in your videos and request that they leave you answers in the comments section. You can then thank them by replying to their comments. You need to do everything that you can to grow your vlog. This will increase your potential to make money from it. So be sure to optimize all of your videos properly and keep getting the word out on social media. So now it is over to you. Start planning your new vlog right away. If you need to invest in some good quality recording equipment, then do so. It will certainly be worth it and strengthen your commitment to your vlog. We wish you every success with your new vlog. Introduction. Vlogging is becoming increasingly more popular, and there has never been a better time to start a vlog. People really enjoy watching high-quality vlogs, and some vloggers have subscribers in the millions. But you don't need millions of subscribers to make money from vlogging. There are many vloggers that have a lot less subscribers that make a full-time income and more from their vlogging activities. What could be better? Doing something that you love and recording it to share with the world and making money at the same time. This is more than a dream. It can be your reality if you follow the advice provided in this training. In this training, you will discover what a vlog really is, some great and profitable ideas for starting a vlog, how to start your new vlog with maximum impact, and how to promote your vlog so that you increase your subscriber numbers and your potential to make money. We have answered all of the most common questions about vlogging in this training and provided you with a step-by-step plan to create a successful and profitable vlog. You need to take action and be totally committed to your new vlog. It's going to take some time and effort to get where you want to be. We have left no stone unturned in this training. You will know exactly what is expected of you in the highs and lows of vlogging. Consistency is everything with vlogging, as you will discover as you watch through this training. Once you have watched this training, you will have everything you need to start your journey to successful vlogging. So we recommend that you watch this training in full first, and then go back to the start and follow the recommended action steps. We wish you every success with your new vlog. What is vlogging? A video blog, vlog, or vlogging is the setting up of a specific channel on a video sharing site such as YouTube and uploading videos on a regular basis. The goal of your vlog is to provide engaging content in a specific niche that will create a reaction from viewers and grow your following or subscriber base. Vlogging took off around 10 years ago when video sharing sites such as YouTube became really popular. Videos are a lot more interesting than text-based content. Most people would sooner watch a short video than read hundreds of words of text. Can vlogging really make you money? Yes, it certainly can. But you need to go about it in the right way, which is what this training is all about. We will show you how to choose a niche to vlog about, the best video platform to use, how to set up your channel correctly, and a lot more. Why should you start a vlog? There are many good reasons why you should start a vlog right now. The first of these is that video has tremendous impact these days. YouTube and Facebook currently dominate the world of internet video. There is a reason that both of these platforms introduce live streaming video. It is what people want. People like to watch videos, and in particular, they like vlogs. Some of the most successful channels on YouTube are vlogs. Once you start to get a following for your vlog, the word will spread quickly and you will get a lot more subscribers. Vlogging is one of the best ways for you to share your talents, ideas, and thoughts about a subject. When you create a vlog, your audience is not expecting Hollywood movie quality. In fact, quite the opposite. A vlog needs to be natural and casual and really connect with the viewer. There are all kinds of successful vlogs out there. A lot of travel vlogs allow the vloggers to travel around the world through donations, sponsorship, affiliate marketing, and other revenue opportunities. Take a look at the popularity of reality TV. People like to watch other ordinary people doing things that they love. If you have a specific talent, then you can show the world how you put this to good use. Once you start to build a following, then there will be opportunities for you to market your skills. By demonstrating that you are really good at something in your vlog, you are bound to get requests from people interested in hiring you. Some people start a vlog because they want to document their life and create a memory to share with future generations. They have no financial aspirations for doing this. This is a training about making money from vlogging, so we wouldn't recommend this approach. However, a number of vloggers who started off in this way have made passive income. There are already some very successful vloggers on YouTube that make a significant income from their vlog. People like Roman Atwood, Lily Singh, Casey Neistat, Zoella, and Alfie Diaz are all good examples. These people all have deals with brands where they make a significant income. Brands constantly scour YouTube for new vloggers, and if they can find good ones, they will approach them directly with deals or sponsorship. There are so many opportunities to make money with vlogging. You can start vlogging right now. There's no need for you to purchase expensive camera equipment to start with. If you have a smartphone, which can record high-quality video, then you are good to go. However, if you could invest in good recording equipment, we would always recommend this. When you have finished shooting your footage, you can then upload this to your computer and use free video editing programs such as Windows Movie Maker for Windows machines or iMovie for Mac. Yes, there are better video editors out there, but you don't need them to get started. You don't even need a website. Use YouTube as your vlogging platform. It is a good idea to have social accounts such as Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, and build a following on these so that you can let everyone know when you have launched a new video. A number of vloggers use affiliate marketing to generate revenue. For example, there are a number of successful makeup and cosmetic vlogs, and the owners promote products and make commissions as an affiliate. What should your vlog be about? The number one rule with creating a vlog is to make it about something that you are really interested in. There are no hard and fast rules here. You can literally create a vlog about anything. But we would suggest that you follow the steps below to identify a really good vlogging subject. 1. Write a list of the things that really interest you in life, including everything here such as things that you enjoy doing at work, in your leisure time, with your friends, and so on. 2. Write a second list of the talents that you have. Don't even think that you have no talents. You will be good at some things for sure. 3. Look at these lists and think about the commercial opportunities with each interest and talent. If you are a sports fan, for example, and follow a particular team, then is there an opportunity there for you? Some sports vlog owners are millionaires. 4. Use the Google Keyword Planner to check to see how many searches a month exist for your interests and talents. You can also search on YouTube to see what videos appear and how many views and subscribers they have. 5. Choose your vlogging subject based on the best mix of interest or talent and commercial opportunity. Most vlogging trainings will tell you to just vlog about something that you are passionate about. Well, you will certainly need to be passionate about your blogging, but not all subjects have the same money-making potential. 6. Once you have chosen a vlogging subject or niche, you will need to test it to see if you can create many videos with it. People will want to see you vlog often. You can't just upload one video and expect miracles. So is there enough material for you to create a weekly or monthly vlog? In the next video, you will find some great ideas for starting a profitable vlog. The advantages of starting a vlog. There are a number of advantages of a vlog over a standard blog. The main reason that people prefer to create standard blogs is that it is easier than creating a vlog. You can write a post for a standard blog fairly quickly or outsource it to a professional writer, but it is a fact that people prefer video. With a standard blog, it's very difficult to develop a following. Ranking blogs in the search engines is really tough these days, and there are people promoting different blogs all over social media. The competition is tough. Yes, there is competition in vlogging, but it is a lot less intense. People vlog for more exposure. It is easier to get visitors to a vlog than it is to a standard blog. Videos are more likely to go viral. You have a lot more chance of one of your vlog videos going viral than a standard blog post. Videos are more interactive. It is easier to persuade people to do something with a video than it is with a written blog post. You will be much more likely to achieve higher conversion rates with good videos. Video tutorials are really effective. People like to know how to do certain things. If you can show them how to achieve something with a video tutorial, then this is far more interesting than them having to read a long blog post with screenshots. You can vlog live. With the live streaming capabilities of YouTube and Facebook, you can create some videos live. If you have an important announcement to make that tell people that there will be a live stream on a certain day and at a certain time, people really like live streaming video. There are a number of revenue-generating opportunities. From the YouTube partnership program to sponsorship, special deals with brands and affiliate marketing to name but a few, popular vlogs have many options when it comes to making money. You need to be really committed to your vlog. If you spend a few months adding videos to your channel and then stop for a while, people will easily forget you. This means that you will have wasted time and effort for nothing. If you choose a subject for vlogging and there are other vloggers on YouTube in the same niche, then don't let this put you off. Remember that you are the subject of your vlog. You are different to those other vloggers with your unique personality. Ideas for profitable vlogs. Sometimes it can be tough to come up with that winning idea for a vlog that will make you a healthy profit. So, to help you, we have some great ideas for you in this video. We hope that you find an idea here that you can run with. Video games. Are you someone that enjoys playing video games a lot? There are so many people that play video games these days, and there is always room for another great vlog on the subject. New games appear all the time, and with the rise in popularity of Amazon's Twitch TV, there is so much scope for you to create quality videos. The secret to a successful video game vlog is providing the gaming community with what they want. If they enjoy the videos you create, then they will spread the word for you and your vlog will grow exponentially. Here are some ideas for videos you can create. You playing a specific game and cracking a level or beating a boss, monster, etc. A live stream about a particular game. A review of a game, old or new. Your top 10 video games. Create a game walkthrough. Provide gaming news videos. Tutorials or how-tos. A lot of people search YouTube to find out how to do something. So do you have a particular set of skills or are you an expert in a particular subject? If so, then a series of how-to videos would be a great vlogging idea for you. People are always using the internet to ask questions, and videos are far and away the most popular medium that people choose to get the answers that they need. There are just endless opportunities for how-to video tutorials. You can definitely promote affiliate products or sell your own products on the back of a vlog like this. Here are some ideas for you. How to build something. How to make money online. Life skills. Personal development skills. How to get a girlfriend or boyfriend and subsequent relationship advice. Learn a new language. How to get that new job and keep it. How to make money in stocks, foreign exchange, etc. Computers and tech. Do you like computers and tech gadgets? Are you an expert on mobile devices? There are so many people that just love computers and tech and would be delighted to find out what is coming next, etc. The world of technology changes all of the time, so you will never run out of ideas for videos. Here are some good ideas. Useful apps for your smartphone. The best laptops. How to use popular software such as Microsoft Office. New technology reviews. Tech product comparisons. Computer hacks and little-known shortcuts. Create your own website. Registering a domain name. How to make your computer faster. How to fix common computer problems. Weight loss and fitness. Do you have knowledge about how to lose weight and keep it off? Are you a fitness expert? The demand for how-to videos in this area is huge, and the subject is so vast that you should never run out of new ideas for videos. Here are some ideas to think about. Weight loss tips. Compare popular diets, in other words, paleo, keto, etc. Healthy eating recipes. How to avoid food and beverages that will make you gain weight. Exercising for beginners. How to do an exercise properly, in other words, push-ups. How to get fit and ripped without going to the gym. The benefits of yoga. Specific yoga exercises. Personal development. This is another huge subject. People always want to improve their lives, and if you have the knowledge to help them do this, then it can open all kinds of doors for you. Here are some great ideas for videos. X ways to be more confident. How to overcome your fears. How to break through your comfort zone. How to set goals and achieve them. How to increase your self-esteem. How to be a great conversationalist. How to persuade people to do anything. How to use NLP to change your life. How to stop living in the past. Travel. Do you like traveling? Have you been or plan to go on an adventure across the world? Can you provide recommendations for the best things to do in popular countries and cities? Do you want to spend your life traveling the world and enjoying new experiences? So many other people do as well. It is true that there are already a lot of travel vlogs out there, but there's always room for more. Just do something different to the rest. Here are some ideas for you. Cool places you won't have visited. The Insider Guide to a popular tourist attraction. Finding those isolated beaches. How to survive in location. The top 10 places you must visit. The best way to pack a suitcase. Traveling on a budget. Music. Are you a musician? Can you teach people how to play an instrument or how to sing properly? Do you know a lot about retro music? Music is huge on YouTube and good how-to videos are always popular. Here are some ideas for you. how to play the guitar, how to play drums, how to sing, how to fix a broken instrument, the best guitars or whatever instrument available, how to read and write music, famous song covers, how to write great lyrics, the best bands of genre, decade, etc., how to use an audio editor to mix music, music equipment reviews, pets. Some of the most popular videos on YouTube are about pets. Everyone has seen a funny cat video or a dog doing special tricks. There are many animal lovers in the world and they can't get enough content about pets. Here are some great video ideas. How to take care of your pet, cat, dog, guinea pig, horse, etc. How to train your dog. There's so many possibilities here. How to teach your cat or dog to do tricks. The best clothes for your cat or dog. The best names for your new pet. The best accessories for your new pet. How to groom your pet. Exotic pets. Traveling with your pet. The best food for your pet. Beauty. Are you someone that knows how to apply makeup correctly? Are you in touch with all the latest fashions? Can you provide tips and advice for smoother and healthier skin? This market is massive and the demand for information will always be there. Here are some great video ideas. Different makeup tutorials. How to make your skin look younger. How to take care of your hair. The best outfits for the larger person. The latest fashion accessories you must have. How to choose the perfect outfit for the occasion. The best shoes for women. The latest fashion trends. How to look stunning on a budget. Manicure and pedicure tutorials. Cooking, recipes, and food. Can you teach people how to cook? Can you show them how to create great tasting meals? Do you have great recipes to share? Do you know the best restaurants? Can you tell people what to eat when they visit specific countries or cities? Food is a huge subject and always in demand. Here are some awesome video ideas for you. How to cook, whatever it is. Eating well on a budget. The best dishes in? The top 10 restaurants in. How to make healthy snacks. The best foods for losing weight. Exotic cooking. Recipes for dishes you have never heard of. The must-have kitchen accessories. How to prepare food properly. How to bake perfect cakes. Meals that will delight your family. What to eat when you are visiting. We hope that you find these ideas inspiring. Creating a vlog that contains how-to videos is a great way to go, and you will be able to monetize in a number of different ways. This is not an exhaustive list by any means, so have a good look at what you know and develop a plan for your vlog.